everyone, in this video I will show you one of the free tools that LightChat AI offers, which is Column Chart Maker AI. So as you can see, there is a default prompt here if you want to check out how it works first, or you can just write down your own prompt. So I'm using a prompt that I created with ChatGPT. These are all just fictional figures and numbers. So I want Column Chart Maker AI to create a monthly sales figures by product category, including months January, February, and March, and the products electronics, clothing, home appliances, and cosmetics. So I will just click Generate Column Chart with AI. So here we have it. As you can see, we have the months here, we have different products and fictional numbers, and then we have the code here. If you want, you can just copy it to clipboard to embed it anywhere, or in an editor, you can just customize this code. So go ahead, give Column Chart Maker AI, which is powered by LightChat AI, a try and let us know what you think.